Hey there, this is a review of the Mevecco Gold Dainty Initial Necklace. The 18K gold plating gives it a lovely shine, and the butterfly pendant adds a unique, elegant touch. The initial adds a personalized feel, making it a thoughtful gift for a loved one, or a special treat for yourself. The necklace is delicate yet durable, with a minimalist design that complements any outfit whether I'm dressing up for a night out or keeping it casual. It sits at just the right length and the adjustable chain makes it easy to find the perfect fit. Overall, this necklace is a perfect blend of simplicity and elegance. It's a beautiful piece that adds a subtle yet meaningful touch to any look. This is a solid choice for anyone who loves dainty, personalized jewelry.